Hello students. In this session we will discuss about another chapter, carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acids are the organic compounds containing COOH as functional group. The carboxylic acids consist of CO carbonyl group and OH hydroxyl group. Hence, the carboxyl is derived by combining two words. This is carbonyl group, hydroxyl group. So, by combining these two names, these compounds are named as carboxylic acids. So, here carbo and xyl. So, carboxyl. As this is acidic compound, so the name IC acid, carboxylic acid, carbo XYL, carboxyl. IC acid, organic compounds are suffixed as IC acid. So the name carboxylic acid is given to such type of compounds, and these are represented by general formula RCOOH. Represented by general formula. These are represented by general formula RCOOH. R may be H or any alkyl group or aryl group. R may be H or alkyl group or even aryl group, alkyl group or aryl group. Aliphatic monocarboxylic acids are called as fatty acids. Since some of the esters of their higher members are present in natural fats and oils. This is about the introduction of carboxylic acid. Now we'll discuss methods of preparation of carboxylic acids. First we'll discuss the preparation starting from primary alcohols. Primary alcohols, for example, are, this is general reaction, RCH2OH, primary alcohol. On oxidation with alkaline potassium permanganate solution, on oxidation with alkaline potassium permanganate solution, KMnO4 solution, or acidified K2Cr2 and potassium dichromate solution gives carboxylic acids RCOOH plus a molecule of water. This is carboxylic acid. Primary alcohols on oxidation with either alkaline potassium permanganate solution or acidified K2Cr2O7, acidified K2Cr2O7 or acidified potassium dichromate solution gives carboxylic acids. Example, ethyl alcohol is heated with alkaline potassium permanganate solution, alkaline KMnO4 solution. Oxidation takes place. It undergoes oxidation and acetic acid is formed, CH3COOH plus a molecule of water, acetic acid. This is the preparation of the carboxylic acids starting from primary alcohol. Now we'll discuss preparation of carboxylic acid starting from aldehydes. Aldehydes on oxidation with alkaline potassium permanganate solution or acidified potassium dichromate solution gives carboxylic acids as the final products. RCHO represents aldehyde, general formula of aldehyde, undergoes oxidation with alkaline potassium permanganate or acidified K2Cr2 and potassium dichromate solution, you are going to get carboxylic acids as the final product. Example, acetaldehyde CH3CHO ethanol, or this also common name is acetaldehyde. On oxidation using alkaline KMnO4 solution, alkaline potassium permanganate solution gives acetic acid CH3COOH. Another name is ethanoic acid. This is preparation of carboxylic acid starting from aldehydes. Next, preparation starting from alkyl benzenes. When alkyl benzenes are oxidized with alkaline potassium permanganate solution or chromic acid, benzoic acid is formed. Now we'll discuss the reaction. Toluene, that is methyl benzene, CH3, this is toluene. On oxidation with alkaline KMnO4, small amount of KOH is added, that is known as alkaline potassium permanganate solution. Just heat it, you are going to get potassium benzoate, potassium salt of benzoic acid, COOK, potassium benzoate, which on acidification or acid hydrolysis gives benzoic acid, COOH, benzoic acid. This is the preparation of carboxylic acid starting from alkyl benzene. Here we have to make one note. The position directly adjacent to an aromatic group is called benzylic position. Already we have discussed this during classification. Benzylic carbon atom, it is sp3 hybridized carbon atom which is attached to an aromatic group or present next to an aromatic group. Okay, the position directly adjacent to an aromatic group is called as benzylic position. Benzoic acid is formed only if it contains benzylic hydrogen. If that benzylic carbon atom contains hydrogen atom, then only the final product is formed as benzoic acid. Hence, all primary and secondary alkyl substituent groups, irrespective of the length of the carbon chain, gives benzoic acid on oxidation. Whatever may be the length of the side chain, you are going to get a benzoic acid as the final product. Now we'll discuss one example. Propyl benzene on oxidation with alkaline potassium permanganate solution gives potassium benzoate, which on acid hydrolysis gives benzoic acid, benzoic acid as the final product, C6H5COOH, benzoic acid. As this carbon atom is called as benzylic carbon atom, it contains two hydrogen atoms, hence the final product is benzoic acid. Next note, tertiary alkyl groups attached to benzene are not oxidized because they do not contain benzylic hydrogen. Tertiary alkyl groups they do not contain benzylic hydrogen, hence they are not oxidized. This is about note. Next, preparation of carboxylic acid starting from cyanoalkane. These are also called as alkyl cyanides. These are also called as alkyl cyanides or alkane nitriles or alkane nitriles. These are the other names of cyanoalkanes. Other names of cyanoalkanes. Cyanoalkanes on hydrolysis. The cyanoalkanes or alkyl cyanides, or this is also called as alkane nitriles, on hydrolysis with the dilute hydrochloric acid gives amides, which on further hydrolysis gives corresponding carboxylic acids. Cyanoalkane on hydrolysis either with the presence of acid or base, you are going to get it gets converted into amides, RCONH2. This is amide, which on further hydrolysis gives corresponding carboxylic acids, RCOH plus NH3. Now we'll discuss one example. When methyl cyanide, or this also called a cyanoalkane, cynomethane, methyl cyanide subjected to hydrolysis either in the presence of acid or even base, any one of these two, you are going to get amide CH3CONH2. This is acetamide, which on further hydrolysis gives acetic acid CH3COOH plus NH3. This is carboxylic acid, that is acetic acid. This is one example. Now we'll discuss one more example. Phenyl cyanide on hydrolysis in the presence of same conditions, acids or base, you are going to get a benzamide CONH2, benzamide, which on further hydrolysis gives benzoic acid C6H5 COOH, benzoic acid plus NH3. In this way, we can prepare carboxylic acids starting from cyanoalkanes. Preparation of carboxylic acids from Grignard reagent. Grignard reagents are represented by general formula RMGX. Grignard reagents reacts with a dry ash, that is solid carbon dioxide, C double bond O double bond O. This is dry ice. Another name is solid carbon dioxide. You are going to get addition product C double bond O OMGX. You are going to get addition product, which on hydrolysis you are going to get carboxylic acids RCOOH plus MgXOH, carboxylic acid. Grignard reagent when treated with the dry ice, you are going to get addition product, which on acid hydrolysis gives carboxylic acid. This is how we can prepare carboxylic acid starting from Grignard reagent. Now we'll discuss example. Example, when methyl magnesium iodide reacts with dry ice, an addition product is found, CH3 C double bond O OMGI. You are going to get addition product which on acid hydrolysis in the presence of acid, you are going to get acetic acid, CH3 COOH plus MgIOH. This is acetic acid. This is the first example. Second example, phenyl magnesium bromide reacts with the dry ice, gives an addition product C6H5CO OMGBr, gives addition product which on acid hydrolysis gives benzoic acid C6H5COOH, benzoic acid plus MgBrOH. These are the examples of preparation of carboxylic acid starting from Grignard reagents. Now we'll discuss preparation of carboxylic acid starting from ursyl halides. RCOX, this is known as ursyl halide. Ursyl halides are hydrolyzed in the presence of mineral acid, gives carboxylic acids. RCOX, this is ursyl halide plus H2O, gives RCOOH. RCOOH, this is carboxylic acid plus HX. Carboxylic acid. Ursyl halides on hydrolysis in the presence of mineral acids gives carboxylic acid. If same reaction is carried out, hydrolysis is carried out in the presence of base, gives salt of carboxylic acid, which on acidification gives carboxylic acid. RCXCOX, ursyl halide. Yes, it is hydrolyzed in the presence of base. Yes, here you are going to get RCONA, salt of carboxylic acid, which on acid hydrolysis gives carboxylic acid, Okay. Ursyl halides on hydrolysis with a base gives sodium salt of carboxylic acid. Then hydrolysis in the presence of acid gives corresponding carboxylic acids. Now let us discuss example. When ursyl chloride CH3COCl, when ursyl chloride CH3COCl is hydrolyzed in the presence of an acid, H2O in the presence of acid gives carboxylic acid, that is acetic acid, CH3COH plus HCl. This is ursyl chloride, or this is also known as acetyl chloride. This is acetic acid. Ursyl chloride or acetic acid. Ursyl chloride or this is ursyl chloride or acetyl chloride. Next, acetyl chloride on treatment with soda or hydrolysis in the presence of a base, it loses a molecule of HCl, and you are going to get salt of carboxylic acid, CH3 COONA, which on acid hydrolysis in the presence of acid, you are going to get CH3COOH, acetic acid. This is sodium acetate, sodium salt of acetic acid, that is sodium acetate. This is how we can prepare carboxylic acid starting from acetyl chloride or acyl halides. Now we'll discuss preparation of carboxylic acid starting from acid anhydride. When acid anhydrides are hydrolyzed, you are going to get carboxylic acid. This is acid anhydride. If it is subject to hydrolysis, you are going to get RCOOH plus RCOOH. You are going to get carboxylic acid. Now let us discuss example. When acetic anhydride is hydrolyzed, acetic acid is formed. Acetic anhydride is CH3, C double bond O, COCH3. This is acetic anhydride is subjected to hydrolysis. You are going to get acetic acid CH3 COOH plus CH3 COOH. This is acetic anhydride. This is acetic acid. Second example. When acetic benzoic anhydride is hydrolyzed, benzoic acid and acetic acid are formed. When acetic benzoic anhydride is hydrolyzed, it gives benzoic acid C6H5COH plus acetic acid CH3COH, benzoic acid. This is acetic acid. This is how we can prepare carboxylic acid starting from acid anhydrides. Preparation of carboxylic acids from esters. When esters are hydrolyzed in the presence of acid, you are going to get carboxylic acid. If these esters are hydrolyzed in the presence of base, H plus in the presence H2O, hydrolysis in the presence of base, you are going to get salt of carboxylic acid, which on acidification H3O plus, you are going to get carboxylic acid. Okay, esters are hydrolyzed in the presence of acid, you are going to get carboxylic acid. If esters are hydrolyzed in the presence of base, first you are going to get salt of carboxylic acid, which on acidification gives carboxylic acid. Now we'll discuss the reaction. RCOR dash, ester general formula is RCOOR dash plus H2O. In the presence of acid, you are going to get carboxylic acid RCOOH plus a molecule of alcohol. This is ester. This is carboxylic acid. This is alcohol. Now the reaction hydrolysis in the presence of base RCOR dash plus sodium hydroxide, you are going to get minus a molecule of alcohol is eliminated, you are going to get salt of carboxylic acid, RCOONA, which on acidification gives RCOOH plus NaCl. In the presence of acid, directly carboxylic acid is formed. In the presence of base, first you are going to get salt of carboxylic acid, then which on acidification gives carboxylic acid. Now we'll see the examples. Example, when ethyl benzoate is subjected to hydrolysis in the presence of acid, you are going to get benzoic acid, C6H5COOH plus ethyl alcohol, C2H5OH. This is the preparation of carboxylic acid by the acid hydrolysis of esters. This is benzoic acid, ethyl alcohol. Now we'll discuss the hydrolysis of ester in the presence of base, followed by acidification. When ethyl butanoate CH3CH2CH2COO C2H5 is hydrolyzed in the presence of base, a molecule of alcohol is eliminated and you are going to get salt of carboxylic acid, sodium butanoate, CH3 CH2CH2 CH3 CH2 CH2 COONA, sodium butanoate, which on acid hydrolysis in the presence of acid or acidification, or we can write acidification plus HCl, you are going to get butanoic acid, CH3 CH2 CH2 COOH, COOH. This is butanoic acid, ethyl butanoate on hydrolysis in the presence of base, sodium hydroxide, molecule of ethyl alcohol is eliminated, you are going to get sodium butanoate, which on acidification gives butanoic acid, CH3CH2CH2COH. This is about the preparation of carboxylic acid starting from esters.